We now have green on the belly as well as the black. We now have green paint on the belly as well as the black, as you can see. All the mounting brackets and the frames are now in black. Get you a bit of a close-up here. See the difference. No more peeling paint. This is only one coat of green. There'll be multiple layers of green and black going on to seal it. So, see their overall picture. So this section is done. Hi Barry, good to see you join. I'm just finishing up the green here, and then we've got this section stripped. Above the trucks, you can see there's still primer. We're all down to bare steel now for the first time probably in about 50 years since it was last shopped at Stratford. And if I do a quick short zoom in here, you can see the steel's actually in pretty good shape. So yeah, that's about it. And my sister just signed in. Hi Sue. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Progress as usual. She's looking good. That's it for now.